Argon, sir.
Yes. So here if you'll observe very carefully, both acquires the potassium as well as chlorine, both acquires the same inert gas electronic configuration, that is 288 and 288. So both they resembles that that of the inert gas of water. That of inert gas of what?
Argon.
Gas. Understand? Called as argon. Understand, Arvind? Clear? Everybody? Argon. Very good. So argon they are resembling. So here the most important thing you have to remember, same like here, how the potassium chloride is forming, sodium chloride is forming. Same way, potassium bromide, understanding, potassium fluoride, iodide of alkali metals is similar to the formation of chlorides only, because everything they will accept one electron only. Yes or no, guys? Fluorides, bromides, iodides, and etc. etc. Please respond me. All are alkali metals, we can say. What is that? Of alkali metals, they are similar to the formation of chlorides, because every fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, this all will accept how many electrons? Only they will accept one electron. So with the alkali metals, this sodium and potassium, they are called as alkali metals. What we should call sodium and potassium is called as what we should call alkali metals. Understand, Ra? Please respond me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sodium and potassium is called as what? Sodium, potassium, lithium. These all are called as alkali metals. So whatever this fluorine, chlorine, bromine, everything, when they react with these alkali metals, understanding, they will form the similar form of chlorides. Please, all of you kindly remember that. Will you able to remember? Please note that point. I will say that elements also. So actually, this sodium, potassium, lithium, this all are called as what we should call, Ra? We should call as alkali metals. What we should call? Alkali metals. Kindly remember that. I will say you that now. So write it. The note. Keep note and write. Keep note and write. So, right. Fluorides. The formation of most important thing, the formation of FLU, fluorides, bromides, and what one more thing, along with the chlorides, iodides of alkali metals. Don't think that alkali means base, Ra. Do you understand, guys? It is not that base. Okay, that periodic table first group elements is called as alkali metals. What we should call? Those who are having a valency of
potassium and
those who are having a valency of +1, they are called as alkali metals. Is it okay, guys? Metals is
okay, sir.
similar to the formation of chlorides. Formation of chlorides. Is it okay, guys? Please respond me. So now here I should say you what do you mean by alkali metals? Please, all of you note it down. Again, you will study in the 5th chapter, but having a chances of asking now. Okay. Alkali metals means having a valency of +1. What is that? Having a valence of +1. Is it okay, guys? Having a valency of +1 is called as alkali metals. So example, you can take in periodic table, totally my lower classes also studied. Even when you are in 8th class, I only told you to study the periodic table. Do you remember Bhumiga, Arya, Himaira, everybody? So that first group elements is called as alkali metals, not a hydrogen. Hydrogen is removed, and the elements are, I will say, lithium, understanding, sodium, please note it down, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Understanding, these are called as alkali metals. So anyhow, for your level now, for this time, only till here is enough. This is they won't ask you, basically. Is it okay, guys? Please respond, Mira. Understand? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what you should remember. Any doubt here? Please respond me. They are called as, what is that, Ra? Sodium, potassium, understanding, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Is it okay, Ra? but basically you will study only lithium, sodium, potassium. So what is lithium? Lithium at electronic configuration 2,1, sodium 281, potassium 2,8,8,1. That is. So remaining you don't bother about it. That is. So now, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine also. Observe very carefully, guys. They are called as 17th group actually. They are called as what? 17th group. Understanding? 17th group in the periodic table. So if you observe very carefully, these valencies, how much, guys? Chlorine, you tell me. Fluorine. Fluorine is what? 1 electron is needed. Yes or no? -1. So chlorine also -1. Bromine is also -1. Iodine is also -1. So that is why they will react with only this one. So the formation is similar. Is it okay, guys? Please respond me. Nobody is answering. Yes, that is. So 17th group they used to react with that. Do you understand, Ra? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
That is. Clear, guys? Any doubt? Any doubt? So this fluorine, chlorine, and iodine we used to call as halogens. What we should call, guys? Halogens. Please note it down. HALOGENS. Okay, Ra? This is called as group 17th elements. What we should call? Group 17th. Understand, Ra? Group 17 elements, and this is called as what, Ra? Group 1 elements. Okay? So always the formation between these is similar. Any doubt till here? Please kindly ask me. Clear, guys? Okay, understand, Ra? So they will ask you in exam. Suppose they will ask you potassium fluoride. Potassium fluoride also instead of chlorine, what you should write, Ra? Instead of chlorine, what you should write? Fluorine you will write. That's all. Understand, guys? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and you have to write.
Okay, sir.
And yesterday, I have given you electron dot structure of fluorine. So how the electron dot structure of fluorine, can anybody say? Fluorine is how many electrons are there? 7 electrons in its valency cell. Do you understand, Ra? How many electrons? 7 electrons in its valency cell. Understand, Ra? And chlorine is also how many? Chlorine, bromine, iodine. All are how many? 7 electrons only in its valency cell. Any doubt? Please respond, Mira. Clear? Okay, guys. So nothing will come. Instead of yes, chlorine, F we should write. Instead of F, you should write B. Instead of B, you should write I. That's all. That is what it is indicating. Any doubt in this? Respond, Mira. Hello. Okay.
Bromine atomic number, what, sir?
Bromine atomic number 52, I think something it will come. So do you want exact thing? Exact thing means just wait, I will say. Bromine 35.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 9, 17, 35. That is you can remember. This is 9. Fluorine is what? Fluorine is 9. Chlorine is 17. Next 35, almost double. You can see almost double, correct? 35 and 53. Okay. This 4 you should learn. And lithium, sodium, this we know that. Lithium, sodium, potassium. What is this? 3, 11, 19. Okay. 3, 11, 19. So this you should remember. Clear, guys? Atomic numbers. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the first formation of sodium ions. Understanding? Sodium chloride and as well as potassium chloride. So remaining in exam, they will give you fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Will you people able to do it? And homework also I am giving you. You have to make a sodium with the fluorine, sodium with the chlorine. So chlorine already over. Sodium with the bromine and sodium with iodine. Same way, potassium with the fluorine, potassium with the bromine, potassium with iodine. You have to make a homework in the same classroom. Is it okay what I'm saying? Electron dot structure also. You should make it. Is it okay, guys? Please respond me. Now,
Okay, sir.
second one, that is in our today's class, we are going to study formation of magnesium chloride. What is this, Ra? Formation of magnesium chloride. Can you able to say what is the magnesium chloride formula? Dilipan, Dina?
MgCl2.
MgCl2. Okay. Very good. So all of you keep heading. Formation of magnesium chloride. So please respond me, everybody fastly. What is the magnesium atomic symbol, Ra? What is the
12,
symbol?
sir. Mg,
Mg.
12.
What is the atomic number?
Mg12.
Magnesium atomic number. Magnesium atomic number.
12,
2.
sir.
1, 2, amma. So KLM.
Sir, you asked atomic number only, no, sir.
Atomic number 282, which is equals to what? Atomic
12.
number is equals to 12. Very good, Amma. So 12 electronic configuration is 282. 282. So what is the valence electrons? How many are there here? Arun Kartikeyan,
Two.
please respond me. Humaira, everybody. What is the valence electrons here? Valence electrons are 2. Understand?
electrons.
So now, what is the electron dot structure? Everybody should write. Madhumita, electron dot structure. How many electrons are Arvind? 2 electrons. So it should lose 2 electrons to become what? To become what? Mg2 plus. Understand?
Mg2 plus.
Mg2 plus. Try to speak and try to respond. So 282. So this is the atom. What is this called as? Atom. And this is
Atom.
2 comma 8.
Ion.
What is this called as? Ion.
Ion.
Now same way. Now observe very carefully here, guys. Here 2 electrons are ready to donate, but chlorine will accept how many electrons? Ra? 1 chlorine will accept
One
only 1 electron. But here we
One
want
electron.
to accept 2 electrons. So how many chlorine atoms we want? How many chlorine atoms we want? 1 chlorine atom will accept 1
6
electron.
electrons, sir.
Ma, 1 chlorine atom will accept 1 electron. So we want 2 electrons should accept. So how many chlorine atoms is needed? That is what my question. 2 chlorine atoms. Correct?
Six.
Understand? So chlorine you can take. So chlorine is equals to 17. So 17 and electronic configuration is what? 287.
2,8,7.
KLM. So 1 chlorine atom will accept 1 electron. 1 more chlorine atom I will take. That is also will accept 1 more electron. Yes or no, Ra? Please respond me. Magnesium
Yes, sir.
2 plus, chlorine minus 1. So finally if you write the formula, how many magnesium atoms? 1 magnesium ion and 2 chlorine ions. Do you understand, Ra? MgCl2. Correct? Formula. So 2 chlorine atoms is required. That is what you should understand. So 2 chlorine atoms means what will come? You have to keep just 2. So remaining all same thing. So chlorine 2, 4, 6 and how many Ra? 7. Correct? Please respond. That
Yes,
is.
sir.
So 2 chloride atoms. What is that? 2 chlorine atoms. Sorry, not chloride. 2 chlorine atoms we have to take it. So what is that? 2 into electronic configuration is what? 287. So just bracket you should keep like this. Is it okay, Ma? Padmavarshini? Understand? Now,
Okay, sir.
how many electrons is added? 2 electrons is added. Each one 1. So we used to get what? 2.
Here 2 minus.
Yes. Here Cl2 minus illa. 2 into Cl minus 1 only.
Okay, sir.
Is minus 1 only. Understand, Tarani? It won't become 2
Yes, sir.
minus. 2 should come forward. Valency will never change. Understanding? Number of ions will change. 2 chloride ions will form. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Understand? That is. The 2 indicates 2 chlorine atoms is involving. How many chlorine atoms is involving? 2 chlorine atoms. So 2 chloride ions will come. 2 chloride ions will come. What is the valency, guys? Sorry, no, what is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 8. Understand, Nitinath? Kartikeyan, valency is 7 means octave rule how many, man? Octave rule 8. So 8 minus 7 is equals to 1 only. So 1 electron is needed. That is why Cl minus. Is it okay, Kartikeyan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is. So now combine these two guys. Let me see who will combine. So magnesium is donating 2 electrons. So 2 chlorine atoms are accepting. So how it will come, formula? Please respond, everybody. So Mg2 dots. Yes or no? Combine everybody. Mg2. So what is going to happen, Ra? It is going to combine with how many chlorine atoms? 2 chlorine atoms. So 2, 4, 6 and 7. So 1 electron will come here, and that I will do so with another color. So one more chlorine atom. This is what is going to come here. So this is what will happen. So 1 electron will go to this chlorine atom here, and 1 more electron will come to this chlorine atom here.
If Al3 means 3 chlorine, sir.
3 chlorine atoms will come. Understand? That is you should understand. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
282. So here what will come? 2 of 287. Understand? So please respond me and tell me the product. What will come product? Mg2 plus, understanding, and chlorine how it will come? You should speak. I
2
should.
Cl minus.
So
2
2
Cl.
bracket.
yes, 2 Cl you can keep. First you should keep generally. You have to write generally only, like same way. So it will come how? Minus. What will come? Minus. And here one more chlorine atom will come. Are you clear?
8 dots.
Bhumika, this is one more chlorine atom. This is also minus. Or also we can write. How we can write? Mg2 plus. Together you can write. 2 chlorine atoms at a time you can write. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
You can represent like this also. But power what? Power minus only. Or general formula. Or what we can write? MgCl2. Understand, Ra?
L2.
MgCl2. Okay, guys? That is you should remember. So what is the electronic configuration here? This one alone you tell me.
Now Mg2 plus
Two.
Cl2 minus.
2, 8, comma 8. So this
So
together.
the 2 chlorine ion we can
Yes.
write as diatomic, no sir, Cl2.
So magnesium chloride, it is donating 2, correct? That is why we can write chloride, no issues. Okay, magnesium chloride, but it is 2 chlorines are involved. So this is called as magnesium chloride. What I should call? Magnesium chloride. Any doubt in this? Clear? MgCl2. Now, so this is all about it. So same way as we know, magnesium chloride is also ionic compound, which containing which bond? Ionic bond. Understanding? So which is made up of what? 2 atoms of magnesium. One magnesium atom and 2 chlorine atoms. Understand? So it is formed by magnesium ion and chlorine ion. So you can observe carefully. What is the formula is coming? Why 2 chlorine atoms? Mg2 plus chlorine Cl minus 1. So combined together, what will come? Crisscross method. Mg2Cl. Mg1 Cl2. So that is what? MgCl2. Understand, everybody? Please respond me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the bond
Yes.
formed by here, the force of attraction between the magnesium and chlorine ion is very, very strong. Very, very strong, because by donating electrons it is forming. That is why this is called as, which bond we can call? Ionic bond we will call. What we should call? Ionic bond. Okay, so that is how to understand it. So this is all about. Now I am giving you one homework here. All of you please remember, homework you should do. You have to draw in our classwork. Already I have given something. Now you have to form a calcium chloride. You have to draw the electron dot structure. Calcium plus chlorine, same thing. 2 chlorines are involving to react with the 1 calcium, because calcium is 2 plus, chlorine is minus 1. So both will form what? CaCl2. So for this also, electron dot structure you have to draw, and you have to draw the formation of chemical compound. Is it okay, guys? This is all about it. So now if you draw this one, then tomorrow we'll study formation of magnesium oxide, and as well as next ionic compounds, etc. I'll study. Later we'll go to the covalent bond. That's all. So with this I will stop the today's class. I hope you all understand very well. Any doubt, anybody kindly ask me. That's all. Thank you so much, everybody.
No doubt, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you all understanding correct. This is little bit
Yes, sir.
tricky. So please be very careful. Everything is needed while you are answering. Each and everything we have to consider. That's all. Thank you, everybody. Bye.